9 Impressive health benefits of barley. Barley is one of the most widely consumed grains in the American diet. This versatile grain has a somewhat chewy consistency and a slightly nutty flavor that can complement many dishes. It's also rich in many nutrients and packs some impressive health benefits, ranging from improved digestion and weight loss to lower cholesterol levels and a healthier heart. Here are 9 evidence-based health benefits of barley. 1. Rich in many beneficial nutrients. Barley is rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. It's available in many forms, ranging from whole barley to barley grits, flakes and flour. Almost all forms of barley utilize the whole grain except for pearl barley, which has been polished to remove some or all of the outer bran layer along with the hull. When consumed as a whole grain, barley is a particularly rich source of fiber, molybdenum, manganese, and selenium. It also contains good amounts of copper, vitamin B1, chromium, phosphorus, magnesium and niacin. Whole grain barley contains a range of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. Soaking or sprouting your barley can improve absorption of these nutrients. 2. Reduces hunger and may help you lose weight. Barley may reduce hunger and promote feelings of fullness, both of which may lead to weight loss over time. Barley lessens hunger largely through its high fiber content. A soluble fiber known as beta-glucan is particularly helpful. That's because soluble fibers, such as beta-glucan, tend to form a gel-like substance in your gut, which slows the digestion and absorption of nutrients. In turn, this curbs your appetite and promotes fullness. 3. Insoluble and soluble fiber content improves digestion. Barley can boost your intestinal health. Once again, its high fiber content is responsible, and in this case, particularly its insoluble fiber. Most of the fiber found in barley is insoluble, which unlike soluble fiber does not dissolve in water. Instead, it adds bulk to your stool and accelerates intestinal movement, reducing your likelihood of constipation. 4. May prevent gallstones and reduce your risk of gallbladder surgery. Barley's high fiber content may also help prevent gallstones. Gallstones are solid particles that can form spontaneously in your gallbladder, a small organ located under the liver. The gallbladder produces bile acids which your body uses to digest fat. In most cases, gallstones don't cause any symptoms. However, from time to time, large gallstones can get stuck in a duct of your gallbladder, causing intense pain. Such cases often require surgery to remove the gallbladder. 5. Beta-glucans may help lower cholesterol. Barley may also lower your cholesterol levels. The beta-glucans found in barley have been shown to reduce bad LDL cholesterol by binding to bile acids. Your body removes these bile acids which your liver produces from cholesterol via the feces. Your liver must then use up more cholesterol to make new bile acids, in turn lowering the amount of cholesterol circulating in your 6. May reduce heart disease risk. Whole grains are consistently linked to better heart health. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that regularly adding barley to your diet may lower your risk of heart disease. That's because barley may lower certain risk factors in addition to reducing bad LDL cholesterol levels. Barley's soluble fiber may bring blood pressure levels down. 7. Magnesium and soluble fiber may protect against diabetes. Barley may reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin secretion. Barley is also rich in soluble fiber, which binds with water and other molecules as it moves through your digestive tract, slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. 8. May help prevent colon cancer. A diet rich in whole grains is generally linked to a lower likelihood of many chronic diseases, including certain cancers, especially those of the colon. Again, barley's high fiber content plays a central role. Its insoluble fiber specifically helps reduce the time food takes to clear your gut, which appears particularly protective against colon cancers. Additionally, soluble fiber may bind to harmful carcinogens in your gut, removing them from your body. 9. Versatile and easy to add to your diet. Barley is cheap and incredibly easy to add to your diet. Due to its high fiber content, barley can make a great alternative to more refined grains. For instance, you can use it as a side dish instead of couscous or white pasta. Barley is also a great alternative to white rice dishes such as pilaf or risotto. Barley is a very healthy grain. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. It's also high in fiber, which is responsible for most of its health benefits, ranging from a better digestion to reduced hunger and weight loss.